for the old me. Need you for my sanity. Need you to remind me where I come from. Can you remind me of my gravity? On me when I'm tumbling, spiraling, plummeting down to earth. You keep me down to earth. Call me on my bullshit. Lie to me and say my booty getting bigger, even if it ain't. Love me even if it rain. Love me even if it pain you. I know I be difficult. You know I be difficult. You know it get difficult. Holding you.
Alright guys, we're on our way now to Port Antonio. Well, more specifically, we're on our way to San Goblin Hill. This Airbnb is really beautiful in pictures, so I hope it's just as beautiful in person. But we're gonna spend like 3 days, well, 2 days in Portland. So I hope you enjoy. Oh, if you enjoyed the hair content, let me know what you think about it. And if you enjoy the beach and all the drone shots and the rafting and all that cool stuff. So ooh, I'm not familiar with this. Guys, welcome to my quick nighttime Airbnb tour. I'm gonna do one for the daytime as well. This is just very quick overview before we mess the place up. But this is the kitchen, has everything that you need. To the right over here, we're gonna head into the bathroom and bedroom, but not yet. To the left is the living area. Very cute island core rustic furniture. Very island core, no matter which island, it's island core. But it's absolutely beautiful. I love it. Very tastefully decorated. Oh, it's really cute. I really like it. It's giving White Lotus without the murder and mystery. But yeah, there's this TV in the corner. I think it only does cable though. And then we have our patio. So again, this is just a very quick run through while it's clean and pretty and at night. So then tomorrow morning you're gonna see in the daytime this absolutely beautiful view that we have. We have the sea view, and you can actually step out into the garden area. We have 2 chairs. Let me share with y'all a little bit more. As you can see, we have 2 chairs out here. It's amazing. I love it. I'm really glad that this is the room that we got. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And then here is a view of the living room and kitchen from the back veranda. And now let's head on into the bedroom. All right, now we're heading into the bedroom area, but before that, to the left we have the bathroom. This is what it's giving. It's not too bad. Again, in the morning when we have some natural light, I will show you in a more cinematic vibe. Actually, immediately after this, I'll just attach the daytime video so y'all can see what it looks like, and then we're gonna head out on the road tonight. But yeah, this is the bedroom. Very huge closet space, and then this is also floor to ceiling glass. So I'm gonna show you. We also have a patio walkout. But this is what it's looking like. The bedroom is pretty much the same type of furniture as in the living room, island core, and beautiful, very tastefully decorated. There is a ceiling fan, and I have a fear of ceiling fans, but that's just me. It is keeping the room very nice and cool, but we also have air conditioning and a nice little vanity / desk area. Now when I open this up, if I can remember where I closed it, there's another balcony area. Let me just open it up real quick and show you. So we actually have a whole veranda, whole front veranda to ourselves. It's a very beautiful property. I can literally give them 100 out of 10 for the property. Even at nighttime, I'm at awe. I'm at all. I'm gonna lock my gate. Oh, but there's no locks on this one, so it's all right. It's very beautiful. And from the front entrance, or from the front of the veranda, this is what it's looking like. So beautiful. Like I said, it's really giving White Lotus. I just cannot wait for tomorrow to come so I can bask in it all. I'm gonna lock this. I do my best. And yeah, that's it so far. We're gonna go down to the supermarket before it closes. So in just a couple seconds, you're gonna be seeing the daytime shots. And after that, I'll see you at the supermarket. we are in Port Antonio, and well, we're not in Port Antonio, but Port Antonio is to the right, and we're in between Port Antonio and like Frenchman's Cove. We stopped at this supermarket called Ramtula's. This is what it looks like right here. And now we're gonna head into the town because we need some money. We're gonna get some jerk chicken. I hope it's not too loud. I can fart this loud. Alright, this must be much better. We're gonna get some jerk chicken. So let's go. Y'all, the hair changed me. I'm a different woman. When they can't come to me the same. When they can't touch me. Watch your man, look how she look. When they couldn't tell me, say, I just do me ear, the one do. I don't need no other body. Alright, we are now here at the Jerk Huts. It's right by the Texaco gas station in the town. So we're just gonna get some food and then go back to the hotel for the rest of the night. The chicken looks so juicy and good. The festival kind of look pale. The festival doesn't look as golden. The festival is not giving golden. It's giving browning. It's giving very light skin. But maybe it tastes. One second. But maybe it tastes really good. So I'm just ready to eat. I'm kind of tired. So let's see. Alright guys, this is the food. Just imagine one more box of this minus the festival, just the chicken. And it came up to 1,900. Yeah. So, only time can tell. But it does look juicy. I'm going to put some ketchup on mine. And then Alex asked for a top up from just make it $2,000. But now we're good. Alright guys, we're gonna put away some of these things. Actually, some of them are already in the fridge. Oh, look at the fridge. We got a lot going on. I don't think we have anything. Well, yeah, we have a lot going on in the freezer as well. I'm gonna go shower and eat my jerk chicken and call it a night. And I will see y'all in the morning with this absolutely beautiful view. So make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And stay tuned for all the fun things that we have planned in the next 2 days. See ya. guys, good morning. Good morning. As you can see, the views are absolutely beautiful. I just came off the phone with my mom and she stayed here. She said it looks absolutely amazing, and she said it looks literally the same, like nothing has changed. So it really makes me add another couple points to this place because that means it's well kept. And this is breakfast. So as you saw, we were making breakfast. We got our omelets, our delicious omelets with cheese, our pancakes, sausage, orange juice, tea, and snacks to go with all of that. So we're gonna eat and then get ready to start our day. It's currently 8:47 and we got up like almost 2 hours ago, like well over 2 hours ago.
This wonderful opportunity again to spend some time with each other and to keep safe.
Got my ginger. Lovely. Okay, let me take a bite of the sausage.
Take a bite.
Really good. Let's try the omelet. It's delicious.
Southern California, much like Arizona, my eyes don't shed tears, but boy they pour when I'm thinking about you. Oh no, I've been thinking about you. You no, I've been thinking about you, thinking about you.
This what happened when I think about you. I get in my feelings, yeah. I start reminiscing, yeah. Next time around, fuck, I want it to be different, yeah.
Already, we're gonna try to go rafting now, and then I think Boston Beach, either today or tomorrow for Boston Beach, but we'll figure that one out. But definitely we're gonna go rafting today. Let me show y'all a quick OOTD. This outfit I always wear because it's always in my bag as a flight attendant, so you've definitely seen that in Brazil, and you're going to see it in Jamaica, and you're probably gonna see it on my layovers. This is the top. Again, you've seen this top probably plenty of times. Even during best weekend ever, I think I wore this. If you haven't watched that vlog, please go check it out. I have the shorts, my cheetah print J. Crew bag. This time though, what's different is I'm wearing the Havaianas that I got in Brazil. And this is my first time ever wearing it, so they're so cute. Like, take me back to Brazil right now, and it matches the outfit, so I just think it was perfect. And then this swimsuit, let me show you all the pattern real close, is from Shein. So cute little fit, you know. She's looking cute. Blows now, watch it, Jesus. I'm gonna take myself out. Whew, that was a close one. But yeah, so really cute fit. And outside is looking nice. Before it was looking a bit overcast, like it was getting ready to rain, and it probably will rain some point today. We're in Portland. But yeah, let's go. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
Ain't even got no downtime.
First class, up in the sky, popping champagne, living my life in the fast lane.
This is our little garden that I was trying to show you guys last night, I think. Yeah, it's so cute. Let me show you from the front. So just imagine if we wanted to walk this way and go into our room. That's our room. We left it like wide open. All of our things are like securely packed away though. And then there's a little walkway from earlier. Oh, I didn't show you guys earlier, but the drone shots. I went down there and I took some drone shots. I just feel at home. It feels really nice. Like if these were apartments, I would be really glad to live here because it's really beautiful. Really beautiful, well kept, well manicured lawn. Everything about it it's just nice. There's no words. There's no words. You feel like you're in Jamaica core. This is Jamaica core right now. This is what the tourists them see in the commercials. I'm on the ad them and say, yeah man, at Jamaica. Jamaica is where I want to go. This is what they're seeing when they think that. But regardless, every part of Jamaica is still Jamaica core.
Are you ready?
Making love and love, skip the whole savage like summer. Who's like fires, then turn up. I'm with the goose.
Guys, the properties up here are really nice. Like, really nice. This is when land did I give away at Jamaica. Oh, what I'd do to go back in time. Just a little bit though. Just a little bit. Not to stay during them like crazy time periods. But what I do to go back and just say, Grandpa, come here. So one piece of land and I can say, Grandpa, take that one, your Grandpa. But my grandpa has secured the bag in Trelawney, like to the degrees where I haven't seen a man do, like a young man. Like I know I have some amazing young men in my life, some inspirational men that I know. Like a lot of my friends are just, you know, like top tier, top shelf men. They're really amazing men. But my grandfather, he's something special. I love that man so much. So now we're trying to go rafting. But guys, one ipa pasa. So I know a lot of you know about the issues going on with Frenchman's Cove. Not Frenchman's Cove, sorry, let me not drag them into this right now. With Blue Lagoon. And so the young lady at the front desk was telling us that, you know, like with everything will go on, like yeah, Blue Lagoon's like still open to the public now, but them run out some of the young people them would do them business, and you know the older people them too. But the stalls that were there, I don't know if I'll be able to find it, but me and Sashana and some of her friends and some of Kyle's friends had gone to Blue Lagoon. Like I have a whole vlog. I'm really gonna try to dig up into the archives and find it. But in that vlog, I showed you guys the vendors down in Blue Lagoon with their stalls, and I showed you the man them with them rafts and the fisherman them and everything. The fisherman them and everything. And guys, she said that basically them run them out of business. Them run them out of the place, and it's really sad because now we're looking to go rafting, and you know that would have helped support somebody business, and we don't know where to go. So hopefully we can go rafting. Like we'll figure it out. But it would have been nice because it's literally right there, and some of these people grew up in this neighborhood and been doing these things like their whole life, or come and see them uncle or them father, and you know it's disappointing. It's very sad. But yeah, we're gonna keep on going, and I'll show you guys. We're kind of lost now, but we're gonna figure it out. So, all right, guys. So we walked down one piece of road, one road run on one part to see if we can find somebody that does the rafting. But when we stopped and pulled over and asked this old man, he said that them run out the people them business locked down, everybody business locked down. That's so disappointing, because when you go on social media, and even if you look up Jamaica and river, rafting is gonna come up, like hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of rafting videos. So it's really disappointing. And like you as a corporation, these people that buy out these properties and putting them hotels and whatever, you have this opportunity, you have the means, you have the opportunity, you have the means to like empower these people and, you know, like push them to create this business, and instead fight out people. It's so, man, it stressed me out. Don't get me stressed out in the morning, man. Boy, what a cold. Whew. Oh wow, it's stony though. It feels so nice. Oh, it feels so good. Yes, this is the life. Back in the car now, and I think we're just gonna go to Boston Beach, the place me, Ashley, and Sasha had went to. If you haven't checked that vlog out, it is on my homepage. When you go to my YouTube channel, I think it should be the first video that pops up. But that's, I believe, if you're not subscribed. So if you go and see that, why you not subscribe? Hit the subscribe button. But check out the video. I'm gonna put it up in the top, and I'm also gonna try and link all the videos that I talked about in this video in the description box. So we're gonna call the young girl from the front desk. She knows somebody that may have a raft, so let's see how that goes. But honestly, like, it really upset my spirit. I'm so disappointed. I'm so disappointed, and it just, like, I hate when people lose them jobs, lose them business all over greed. Hate it. Hate it.
Pimento wood? Kind of what do you use? A pimento wood, huh? Yeah. Sweet,
What do you think?
Just
Can one?
everything you have a fresh one. Every day you do everything. You know what?
Yeah, with the Boston.
Boston.
With a Boston jerk, no. And we're gonna get some food. We're gonna get some food before we head to the beach.
I've got a pork sausage, so you can't have a sample.
Pork sausage?
That's really pay me.
Yeah, that part. This is hot.
Yeah, very
Proper man.
fresh
Pork
chicken,
sausage.
Yeah, man.
fresh chicken.
Ow.
Nice, man. Half a chicken. You can give me and a half a chicken.
$100 for serving bed.
Festival,
They'll get maybe like about 6 slices.
The beach. Love the beach. Keep it clean. And these are the steps to go down. Oh, the breeze feels so nice. I wish you could feel it. There's a lot of seaweed down there, so that's forewarning. Here, Boston Beach, at least the side that you pay for, is right there. We're on the free side. And there's a lot more seaweed. Like, there's a whole bed of seaweed than last time, because you know it's not like regulated or anything. But even the side that you pay for, if you look very closely, that brown line that you're seeing right where my finger is, that's also seaweed. So I know nothing. You step over it and you still have sand and a beautiful beach with far less people. Super beautiful. Alright guys, we went into the water and we had amazing fun. But I'm just gonna show y'all the jerk chicken and what's it called again? Breadfruit, roast breadfruit. This is what it's giving. You can't really see enough. On top of that, let me show you. We got some pine and ginger and coconut water, white wine, Baileys. With the food here, the drinks. Yeah, life is nice. I'm gonna sit down now and enjoy the view of the beach. It's time for us to leave the beach. My hair did get wet, but it's pretty. It have a nice little loose wave texture to it. I got some surf shots, guys, and I think they're absolutely amazing. Like the skill, I really want to learn to surf, to like do something really good. But I'm gonna insert the surf shots now, and I'll see you guys when we get back to the car. Blow's not, my skin dry like guys, but I have oil. That's some oil. I have to cover up. The sun's still a shine, which makes it great. You can hear the beach from all the way up here. Make sure no more sand up on my foot. Yeah, no more sun up on me. Yeah, man, we're good. Let's go. Right there is a first place prize.
I know, right?
That hat is so cool. Wow, and it have ears and everything. Wow. It's so cool.
Wanna be the winner?
Want to see everybody else at though. Make sure you get some picture and send me everybody else at so we can send them an email if they try to thief the win. Wow. Good morning. So we have some dumpling and fried breadfruit. We have some ackee and pork, and we also have some toast. And yeah, we're gonna eat out on the back veranda today. Today is also checkout day, so we just chilling. This is our setup pre-food. Well, pre-food on our plate, so Yeah, I don't know. It's just so peaceful and beautiful. I don't want to leave. Like, please invite me back because it's so beautiful. Well, yeah, please invite me to come here.
Bame. After breakfast.
We're gonna go kayaking before we leave the hotel. So we got all our snacks and our beverages. And we're gonna go down to Frenchman's Cove or Blue Lagoon? We're gonna go down to Crystal Cove and we have somebody who is expecting us. So let's see if we can do that. I think that's gonna be so much fun. I haven't done kayaking before. Yeah, that's crazy. I've never been kayaking before. Let's go. A car alarm is going off. I forwarded the number, but I don't know. I mean, if they said they're going to send, if you can just ask them to send somebody to check on it, because that's what the person in the group chat said. That was getting ready. I got a notification from a car app that the car was moving and that the alarm was going off. That's what I just said to mommy. So I'm gonna call them if this even allows me to call them, because sometimes it don't. Let me see. Because I need to find out what's going on, because I've never had that happen with the car before. I've had it say like impact detected, and that's when somebody opened them stinking door on the car. No, I'm just kidding, but that's what happens when people open the door on the car, or you know. So let's see. I would do any.
Sorry, but outgoing and international calls cannot be placed on this number.
Oh wow. Alright, it's a fail. We're just gonna go enjoy the rest of the day. Forget this part of the vlog. But like, comment, share, subscribe, and yeah, show your support that way. Alright guys, here are the kayaks. We're gonna go kayaking, and down by this villa is a part. It's a sister property of the Goblin Hill Hotel. So they put out the cushions for us to lay out to enjoy the kayak, and they put 2 beers in the freezer for us. So I thought that was very nice. We're gonna try to go over to Monkey Island. I think that'd be so much fun. So if we can make it, I make it back and then just enjoy some sun, and then we can pack up and leave. This is gonna be the kayak that we take. It's a 2-person kayak. Yeah, I don't know what else to say now, guys. We're just going with the vibes. So make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Wow. Guys, I'm afraid. But YOLO.
Oh, damn. Malibu too.
Wow. Oh, so cool. Well, lights, look how fast it just like float away. Wow. All right. All right, let's see. Safety. Thank you. Let's see.
My bridging.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, let's see. Oh, mine has a zipper. Ooh. It's all right. Kind of hard to go with them. There we go. No, it's not. Okay. All right, we are on the raft, and the gentleman went inside to go and get me a waterproof bag because, girl. We made it to the island. I got some shots on my phone for TikTok, so if you're not following me over there, it's at Bicana Brown. On our way back, I'm gonna get some shots for YouTube, but in the meantime, between time, I'm gonna enjoy the water. So beautiful and clear, and I'm gonna get some drone shots.
She said, take your time. What's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog. She said, take your time. What's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog. I'm a dog. I can smoke already, so hard in my blunt is. Let me know when you need my help. It's kind of dark. Anyways, it would be hard to see them. Yeah, it would be kind of hard to see the turtles, guys. Turtles are massive.
back from Monkey Island and we're gonna end off our day with a nice cold red stripe beer. Yeah man, real Jamaican style. This guys is well worth it. I would 100%, like 150% come back here. I'm not even lying to you, not gas you up, not nothing. 100%, like the service impeccable. They're so kind. Everybody, every single body, super duper kind here.
Yeah, because erosion.
Yes, man.
Especially when you're so close to water, it's easy for you to.
Yeah, man. This is a constant.
Yeah. Yeah, so.
A cold red stripe. Brewed in Jamaica. This is right. Our time at Goblin Hill has unfortunately come to an end. We're still down at the Sister Palace, Crystal Cove, and I don't want to leave. I don't want to leave, but I'm gonna figure out a way on how I can come back, maybe with a larger group of people to offset like the cost or just anything. Maybe in the future we can collaborate, who knows. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the drone shots. I hope you enjoyed all the beaches, the food, the kayaking, everything. We're going to head to Boston Jerk to get some food before we head on up and then drive back to Kingston. I'll see you in a minute. We are at Boston Jerk. I didn't go inside, but this is it. We got some jerk chicken, festival, breadfruit, pork. I'm gonna eat one piece of the pork now, I'm sure. No. So delicious. I wish it would focus so you can see. Let's check it for me. And then we got the smoothie from this young guy. This is his smoothie brand. This one, I can't remember the specific name, but I think it's like Dirty Banana. Dirty Banana, that is literally what it's called. It's so good. And then we also got some coconut water for the road. So on top of all the other snacks that we have from previous, we're good to go. The pork tastes so good. Tastes better than yesterday. I'm literally savoring this taste. It tastes much better than yesterday. Anyways, we're gonna head on the road We might link up with some of Alex's friends tonight in Kingston, but we're gonna drive through Port Antonio and, you know, just way back to town. So on the way back, I'll try to get some shots for you guys of the different towns and, you know, just along the way. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. And then if you've ever stayed at Goblin Hill before or Crystal Cove, please drop a comment down below, because my mom has stayed there, Alex's mom has stayed there, and honestly, it, like I said before, it's worth 150%. Like, the service, like, we didn't eat the food, but I bet the food tastes good too. But the service was just unmatched. Like, the people were some of the nicest people I've met in the hotel industry in Jamaica, hands down. So I can't wait to go back. So make sure to like up the video and comment so we can get some money and go back. Bye.